Hi everyone, this is Adam, here with my beloved friend Petri.
Right, hello everybody. Hello.
Alright, what we have today is we're going to learn about the word want. Can you say it?
Want.
How about two more times?
Want.
Okay, the word today is want. Want is a way to ask for something, and when you use that word, it is powerful because you are asking somebody, can I have that? So I want a break. I want food. I want to give you a hug.
Oh, okay, sounds good.
So we're going to practice. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I have a train. It is so fun. I love trains.
Ooh, I think that's cool. Give it to me.
No. We can't just grab it. We have to use our words.
Oh, okay.
Are you ready to practice?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I want train.
Good words. You want the train.
Oh, thank you. I have a train. Yay. Do you want the train?
Yes, I want the train. I'm ready.
There you go.
Thank you. Thanks for sharing the train. We both had a chance to hold it. We both wanted the train. Want. Okay, what if it was something to do with food?
Ooh, I like food.
Good, because I have something that we can bring in here. I have a banana, which is a fruit.
Oh, I like those. It's a pretty color.
It is. You want to hold that?
Yep.
And then this is a candy bar.
Oh, I like that too.
I know. So you get to say, all right, Petri, do you want a candy bar or do you want a banana?
I want candy.
Okay, there you go. Way to hold the candy. What was that? What?
I can't talk with my mouth full.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Do you want me to hold this for later?
Uh-huh.
Okay. We're using that word again, and it is want. I have one more. Would you want some Cheez-Its?
Oh, I love Cheez-Its. Oh.
Oh, wow, you are so excited.
Uh-huh.
You just must really love Cheez-Its. Okay, I have Cheez-Its. Or I also have a ball. Do you want ball or Cheez-Its?
I want Cheez-Its.
Good job. You asked for Cheez-Its. I love when you use your words.
I love this game. All right, everybody, when you need to ask for something, use the word
Want.
want. All right, I want you to have a good day. Bye.
Thanks for learning the word want.